Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So if you want to see how I literally just do this light, smoky, everyday makeup look, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. Bye. So we're literally only going to use a few brushes. I want to show you what we're going to use. So we're going to use a long bristled brush. This is going to be used to apply the eyeshadow in our crease. Then I'm going to use my MAC 217 brush. It's a medium-sized bristled brush. I've got 3 of these, but if you have one that looks similar to this, you can use it. You can just like clean it in between the uses. And then we're going to use a flat brush to apply the eyeshadow at the base of the eye, on the under eye. And then we're also going to use a very short bristled flat brush to apply a little bit of glitter. And the only palette we're going to use today is the Revolution Forever Dynamic Serenity palette. You can find this palette in Dischem or Clicks, and it's not very expensive. I think it's like 260 or 270 rand, which is not expensive. You'll see I've used this quite a bit. Just want to get into focus quite a bit. So we're going to use these 2 medium brown colors for the crease, as well as this on the the edge of the eye, the outer corner. And we're going to use this nude. We're not going to use the shimmer today. We're only going to use the plain nude, and then we're going to apply a little bit of glitter. So to start this look, we are going to prep our eyelids by either applying foundation or concealer. Now I've already done this, but after you've set your eyes, you want to actually set it with powder as well. So we're not just going to leave it empty or sticky. We want to conceal it and set it with powder. Then we're going to go in with our Serenity Revlon palette, and I'm going to pick up this nude brown with our long bristle brush. And we are literally only going to focus on our crease area. And we are going to go back and forth, and that is the only motion we are going to use. So we're going to place the eyeshadow in our crease, and we're going to go back and forth. You can slightly take it on top of your brow bone, but don't go up too high. We want to focus literally only on the crease of the eye. We're going to do exactly the same on the opposite side. You can see that the smoky eye is literally going to have this as the base, as the transitioning color. And then I'm going to switch my brush out to my MAC 217. If you have a brush that's similar to this, you're going to pick up this brown, and you're going to now place your brush down on your outer corner. Press it down, dragging it down slightly to your lashes. Don't drag it in too far. We only want to focus now on the outer corner. Going back with my long bristled brush, I'm going to wipe the excess off. So now I have no extra product on my brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally now just going to blend, going back and forth, moving that darker brown into my eyelid. The same on the other side. No product, just blending. That's it. Now I'm going to pick up, you can either use the same brush you use to apply your dark brown, just wipe your brush, or you can pick up a clean brush, same kind of brush, medium length bristles, and we are going to pick up this nude. This nude we are going to apply in our center as well as the inner corner of our eye. We're not going to blend it much, we're just going to put it down. The same on the other side. Just press it down, move it to the center, and the inner corner. Now again, we're going to go back to our long bristle brush. No product on it. We're going to now marry the light brown and the dark brown. Just blending back and forth. The key is to not pick any additional product up. So don't pick up any additional product. You're going to blend your existing product. So now we're going to pick up our medium length flat brush, okay, and we are going to pick up that nude brown, our very first transitioning color. We're going to pick up that color. We are going to apply this on our lower waterline underneath all the way through to your center. So the pigment of this palette is Chef's Kiss. Okay, same brush. We're not going to clean it. We're going to use the same exact brush, and we're going to go in and we're going to pick up this dark color brown. Okay, so now we're going to focus only on our outer corner, and we're going to drag it into maybe about halfway. You can press it down and do a slight back and forth motion. Flat angled brush, and I'm going to pick up that same dark brown. This is an additional step. You don't have to do this step. So what we're going to do is we are now basically going to create a line all the way from our center to the outer corner. Okay, so I just want to show you, on this side I did the eyeliner, and on this side I do not have the upper eyeliner. So you can stop here if you want to. You can now just apply mascara and you are ready to go out the door. To up your look, you can do the upper eyeliner, and now we are going to apply false lashes. You're going to use the same brush you used for the nude in the center of your eye, and we are going to place it right underneath our eyebrow. And you can drag it all the way to the center and down. So now we're going to use our flat short bristle brush, and we are going to pick up this glitter, and we don't need a lot. So you're going to literally just dab it on. It's not going to be a solid glitter look. It's only going to be little pieces of glitter here and there. It's not going to be solid. Okay, for lashes, I'm going to apply these falsies. I will have a link down below to where I purchased these and how much it was. I'm going to use a tweezer, and then I've got a little dandy lash tool that looks like this. If you only have a tweezer, you're only going to use a tweezer. You're not going to struggle with anything else. Then I am going to use Disco eyelash brush on glue. It looks like this. You can purchase this also from Dischem or Clicks. I think it's 80 Rand. I can't remember. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to literally take your tweezer and you're going to lift your lash from one end and just pull it off. You're not going to take it on the hair. You're going to take it on the strip. I'm going to show you where I'm grabbing it. I'm literally grabbing it on the physical strip, not the hair. If you pull on the hair, you're going to pull the hair out of your lash strip, okay? I'm going to use this dandy tool, and I'm literally going to place the lash in the center of it. If you do not have this little dandy thing, so I'm going to show you how to apply a lash with it and without the tool, okay? So now we're going to apply some glue. So it's going to look like this. I hope you can see. It's got like a bluish glow in the dark look. So while we wait, we drink. Cheers. This is so good. So we're not gonna just press it down. We're gonna go from above, like a little chopper. Think of this as being a little helicopter, and it is going down, and you're placing it down on the center of your lashes, on your eyelid. That's it. Okay, it's not stuck yet. We're switching over to our tweezer. You grab the center piece, use your one finger to like support the lash on the one end, and you're pressing it down, moving to the outer part. Okay, you will also notice that I did not apply mascara before I applied my lash, for a very simple reason. Once you apply mascara before you apply your false lashes, remember mascara is now, the aim of mascara is to lengthen and thicken and harden your lashes. So the moment you put mascara on your lashes, you're hardening it, let's say for instance this is now the lash hair, you're hardening that lash into shape like this. Now you want to come and bring, I'm going to use my little sponge, this is now your falsie. Now you want to apply, imagine this is now your eyelid, né? So if you want to come and put your false lash down on your eyelid, and you see this is now going to create a problem, meaning that it's going to press either the lash up, or you're going to make a mistake and stick your lash too high on your eyelid. We don't want that. So if you don't have any mascara and it's your natural hair, and you come and you place down and you stick down your false lash and then you apply mascara, you're blending your falsie and your natural hair together so it looks like one. I hope that kind of makes sense. But I've seen a lot of creators do the mascara and then the lashes, and I'm like, I don't know why they're doing it that way. It just doesn't make sense. But you do you, right? Whatever works for you, boo, you do that. Okay, again, now I'm only going to demonstrate using my tweezer. Again, I'm only going to pick it up from the end on the physical strip, not the hair. I'm using my finger just to loosen it and move my tweezer to the center. So I'm gripping my lash in the center. Now I'm going to apply my glue. Okay, so my lash is still gripped in the center like a little helicopter. I'm going to go down, place it down on the center of my eye, close to my lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to steady my lash in the center, and I'm first going to stick it down on the end, moving to the center, pick it up, move it to where I want it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. So whenever I use falsies, I'm going to use Telescopic from L'Oreal. The reason I use this specific brand is because I want to show you the wand is extremely thin. Extremely thin. Picking up more mascara. I'm now going to do my lower lashes. And then I'm going to blend my falsies into my natural lashes. Okay, no mess, no fuss. Just want to zoom in and show you guys what it looks like. The other side. Okay, so that is the makeup look for today. Wham bam, thank you, man.